This video features a demo of the Sigma secured sign-in integration into Content Manager. We can access the add-on by right-clicking on a selected record, going to Send To, and choosing the We Sign option between the choice of it and the Templates button. Welcome to the Sigma secured signing integration for Content Manager. You can use this wizard to select attachments and recipients for your signing package. We'd like to note that for the purposes of the demo, we will not be including any email attachments. Recipients of the document can be added via the search box, where we can input either a name tied to a location in CM or a registered email address. In the event that signatures are needed from multiple people or parties, this can also be accommodated for. Email addresses that don't exist inside the Content Manager environment can still be added as recipients by typing the address into the field and pressing the Add button. Clicking on Next at the bottom will take us to the Notes step. Notes can optionally be added to the record chosen, where it will be visible from the Notes field inside CM. Please review the security profile of the documents chosen for signing. If you acknowledge the documents are appropriate for distribution to the selected recipients, tick the checkbox to continue. Continuing on takes us to the We Sign interface, where we can choose to add any of the options available to the user onto the document. The recipients that were previously selected will then receive an email invitation for them to sign the document. Notice that the document we sent for signing has been checked out. This is a configurable option that will be showcased in the next section. While we wait for the document to return back signed and completed, we'll run through some of the option settings. We're going to jump back in now to show a few settings in the meantime. It's worth pointing out the message at the bottom of the screen. We are unable to send or interact with this document through the wizard due to the fact that we previously checked it out for signing. This is where we can check if a document has been sent for signing and whether it has been signed or not. The Other tab allows us to check the status of documents in progress and all other documents that have been previously sent. This is where an integration administrator can change settings. For regular users, they will not see this button and do not have access to change any of the configuration options. These settings are applied site-wide. Admins can restrict who is a valid recipient with the drop-down selection. This determines who is and who is not able to be sent documents from the program. Unticking these boxes changes the flow of the wizard should some screens not be required. We can specify an action to take on a document after it has been sent for signing. By default, it is set to none, but you may want to check out or finalize it depending on how you plan to use the application. For example, if you copy a record before it is sent for signing, you may want to finalize it after sending. Under the tab Background Task Configuration, we can manage the settings used for your signed or returned documents. Secured signing produces certificates on completion of signing. The integration can fetch these if you would like. The option presented to us allows us to select where we save these. When sending a document from CM for signing using WeSign, we can select how we want the signed document to be saved. When sending a template for signing, we can select the record type the signed document is saved here as. Email configuration settings are edited from the final section at the bottom. That document that we sent off earlier in the previous section to get signed has returned. When right-clicking a container, we can use it as a destination for signed template documents. We will use the CM record picker to select an attachment. Documents that are selected from here are uploaded to the secured signing document library. From there, they may be attached to signing invite emails. Here, we are using the CM location picker to select a recipient. Notice that the Notes section does not appear now, due to us disabling it inside the settings. This also goes for the checkbox at the bottom that is also no longer necessary. Here is a template that has been previously uploaded to secured signing using their web interface. The list of signers matches the recipient selected. We then choose Select Attachments and select the option available, which is the document we selected for upload at the start of the wizard. This is the invitation email the recipient receives. Notice the attachment is the document we uploaded in the wizard and selected in secured signing. Is the signing process also available in Content Manager? Signing is done by the recipient in a web browser. Is the integration compatible with CM Web Client? Not as of currently, but we can if there is demand. Do recipients have to be a location in CM? No, any email address can be used as a recipient. However, recipients can be limited to internal CM locations if required. Is audit information saved directly back into CM? The integration audits signing requests in two ways. Number 1, logs document sending and signed document retrieval activity to the CM audit log. And number 2, by fetching a signing certificate after the document is signed. This is saved back into CM as a document. Thank you for watching. For more information, please email sales@informationproficiency.com.au.